What's up, guys? It's Janna from Jimtanna. Today we're here with Tadow and we're taking her on a walk at the dog park. It's gonna be a little bit of a drive, so we're gonna get her gear all set up and ready, charging the GoPro for just a quick second, take a nice little dabby, and we'll be on our way. See you guys soon. Super excited for the dog park. Every time we go, she's extremely thrilled to interact with the other dogs. She always does a pretty solid job too. She definitely wants to chase and be chased. So she is one of those like very active dogs that will have pretty much no boundary. Will come up to you, come up to your pet, and she just wants the attention. So she will make her presence known. Every time we get to the park, she just is like amped, like level 12. So I'm excited to take this Miss Mama over to the park today. Every time I say P-A-R-K, her ears go doop. It's so cute. All right, guys, cheers. Cowboy cookies. Shoot. Let's clean this nail up and get her all geared up for the drive. Where's your leash? Can you show me where your leash is? Can you show me leash? Go get your leash. This way. Show me. Oh, good job. This one? Do you have a potty bag? Let me check. Yeah, we have potty bag. You ready? You ready? Show me. Come on. Good job. Let's go. You ready for park? Are you ready for park, Miss Mommy? No woo-woo-woos. You're over it? You just want to go? Yeah, this is yours. This is yours. Whoa! Whoa, what are you doing back there? Yeah. Show me. Oh, big stretch. Good job. Come here. Come here. Sit up. Why are you bunking me? Come here. No, I need the other arm. This one. You're playing games? You don't want to go? Thank you. You big brash. You're the biggest brat ever. Alright, you ready? Ready for park? Let's go. Are you ready for park? You ready to go? You look ready to go. Let's go. Okay, we'll go. I can go. I'm literally putting my fanny pack together. Okay, you need to sit down. Sit down. Good job. All right, guys, what's up? We just parked at the dog park. She is more than thrilled to get out there, so we're gonna get the leash on and we'll see you guys out on the grass. Looks pretty empty, but there are some people over there in the shade. Let's go this way. Come on. I follow you, Mommy. We come here about once a week. I honestly try to get here at twice if we're lucky, but as much as possible. She needs the interaction, to be honest. Wait, mommies. Can you sit? Tadow, sit. I need to close this door. Thank you. Stay. Good job. Come here. Hi. Are you ready? Huh? I know. I'll let you guys fix it. No. Don't need to be mean. Hi, it's a friend. She's all gassed up. She wants to run. She's like, I've been waiting for this. Let me off. Can you wait? Can you sit? Sit. Tadow. Sit. Thank you. Go ahead. There she goes. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Good job. Come here. Good job. Tadow. Go get the ball, Cooper. Kind of interested in that stick. You want your toy? Right here. Up. Good job. Yeah. There you go, boys. The best clip of the year. Here you go, mommy. All right, you're done. No more. Come on, there's water on the camera. Bam. All right, well, GoPro only has 4% left, so we're recording till the wheels fall off. It is pretty nice in the shade right here, not gonna lie, but she is really, really hot right now. Tongue is all droopy and low. She just had some water though, so she's doing fine. But we're having a good time. Where's your stick? Let's go get your stick. Come on. Come on, ball. Ready? Tadow, 1. Hey, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go get it. Good job. Give me a ball. She's hot and tired, but we're chilling in the shade. It's kind of muddy, so I'm probably gonna have to bathe her. But yeah, all in all, good time. You want to sit for a little bit? Let's get your stick. You want to sit down? It's nice that this bench comes with the chairs. And there is a lot of shaded area too, so it's pretty nice park. 10 out of 10 for me. And for her, I'd say as well. Good girl. If you guys like this video, subscribe, like, share it with somebody you know. We appreciate all the support. See you later on the next one.